Former Brazilian President Luiz Lula da Silva has won the presidential election. The Superior Electoral Court, the highest body of the Brazilian electoral justice known as the TSE, announced Sunday evening.
Figures released by the TSE show that Lula da Silva obtained more than 60 million votes, or 50.89% of the vote, surpassing current President Jair Bolsonaro of the Liberal Party, who received over 58 million votes, or 49.11%. This is the smallest margin in a second-round presidential election in Brazil's history. Lula is set to serve a third four-year term beginning January 1st, 2023.
O Brasil é a minha causa, o povo é a minha causa, e combater a miséria é a razão pela qual eu vou viver até o fim da minha vida. Grande abraço e que Deus abençoe a nossa jornada a partir de 1º de janeiro.
Lula da Silva, 77, served as the Brazilian president for 2 terms between 2003 and 2010. He was jailed on corruption charges between 2018 and 2019. In the latest presidential elections, his strength lay particularly in voters from the impoverished northeast of Brazil. Lula da Silva focused his campaign on social issues, making pledges including minimum wage increases, strengthening of state-owned companies, and efforts against hunger and poverty. He also pledged to expand trade and technological cooperation between Brazil and other countries, helping enhance regional integration and promote fair and more democratic relations between countries.
E confio que vai dar certo, né? Que aconteça o que for melhor para nós, para o nosso Brasil e para todo mundo, né? É isso que eu espero.
Eu quero país que tenha investimento, que tenha empregos, que tenha qualidade de vida, onde a gente pode chegar e contar com um sistema de saúde, contar com segurança pública. Eu quero país onde eu não seja refém dos bandidos.